Hi, Don from Eastern Appliance again. We're here standing next to one of the most popular refrigerators of the day. It's the bottom freezer with the French doors. Very popular design. We have many different brands. This happens to be the GE with the ice in the refrigerator of all places, but it works. It's a great thing. You know, you can open it up and the ice is actually in the refrigerator. But we have a lot of different things too. We have the basic apartment size refrigerators, the top mounts, the side-by-side, got a whole wall side-by-sides here. We can meet your needs. Come on and give us a try. Come on in or give us a call. Either way, you'll be glad you did.